very happy new year to all of you, and welcome back to our channel, The Teacher. This is Rajiv, and in this tutorial, I will show you a trick on how to make a realistic handwriting animation in PowerPoint. In 2017, I had published a video on the same topic. You can go and watch that video as well, and the link is given in the description and cards. Before we begin, let me tell you that we are going to use two different Microsoft PowerPoint commands, Draw and Screen Recording. According to the Microsoft Office website, the Draw feature is available since PowerPoint 2007, but the Screen Recording feature is only available in PowerPoint 2013 and later versions. We also require the Ink Replay feature, which is only available in Office 365 and Office 2021. You can also use any third-party screen recorder. So, let's get started and learn to make realistic handwriting animation in PowerPoint by opening a new PowerPoint presentation and setting the slide layout to blank, and also collapsing the thumbnail view to save space on the screen. From the Draw tab, you can either choose a pen style with the required thickness and color style, or you can also use pencil or the highlighter. Now, start drawing all the characters on the blank slide that you want in your handwriting animation. If you have made a mistake during character designing, then you can use the eraser and can correct your mistakes, and all the eraser strokes will not get included in the animation by default. So, take your time to draw anything that you like to animate as handwriting animation. Once you are done, click the Ink Reply button to see if that is what you needed. Now, it's time to record the ink reply. In Office 365 and PowerPoint 2021, you can easily record and insert it into your presentation by moving to the Insert tab and then clicking Screen Recording. If you are also working with any other application along with PowerPoint and clicking on Screen Recording starts showing you any other window, then just use the Alt plus Tab key to switch back to your PowerPoint presentation. We don't need to record the audio and mouse pointer, so we will turn off both these options from the screen recording toolbar. Now, click the Select Area button and draw a rectangle around the text. During the ink replay, you might have noticed that it shows a playback bar at the bottom of the screen. So, while selecting the screen area, try to make it closer to the text so the playback bar may not get included in the screen recording. You can also zoom out a bit so only the required content gets included in the recording, or you can also adjust the size of your ink strokes. After selecting the area, click the Record button, or you can also use the Windows plus Shift plus R key to start recording. During the recording, the screen recording toolbar will disappear, and to stop the recording you can either use the Windows plus Shift plus Q key, or you can pin the screen recording dock by clicking on this pin button. After starting the recording, move to the Draw tab and then click Ink Replay. Once all the ink strokes get completed, press the Windows plus Shift plus Q key to stop the recording, and PowerPoint will immediately then insert that as a video into your presentation on the same slide. To finalize the handwriting effect, go to the Playback tab and click Trim Video and remove the unnecessary part in the beginning and end of the video. Once all is done, you can either paste that video into a new slide or presentation, or you can also right-click on the recorded video and choose Save Media As. Later, you can insert that video in any of your presentations and can also adjust the video size. Finally, select the video and go to the Animations tab and set it Start with Previous if you want the handwriting text animation to get played automatically during the slideshow, or define the delay timings as required. You can also add more elements on top of this video, like for example shapes. I hope you will like this trick. Let me know by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. You can also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and once again a very happy new year to all of you.